All right, if you thought you could stash your cash in crypto, maybe you're having a tough week. Bitcoin has crashed to a 16-month low, wiping out billions in value for unlucky investors. Most other cryptocurrencies, hey, they're also tanking too. So is everything lost, or is there a chance your account could still go to the moon? Joining me now to discuss, he is the chairman of Bitcoin Foundation. He's a venture capitalist, and he still very much loves crypto. Brock Pierce is back. I share your love, Brock. I know it's a tough week, so what do you tell people to do? Because for people who use crypto as an investment tool, they're terrified. So what soothing words can you offer?
Well, as you, I think, said in the opening or the prep to this segment, it's buy the dip and hold on for dear life. And here's the unfortunate thing, and always a good warning. This is a highly volatile asset class, and one that we hope will decouple from call it the traditional financial markets. When the stock markets crater, crypto craters even more. When it's down, it's down. In the same way, when the markets are up, crypto's up even higher, high highs, low lows. And so that decoupling or that uncorrelation is meant to happen at some point. Hasn't happened yet. This doesn't change the long-term outcome. And we had a second shock wave. Most of what we're seeing now, the market was vulnerable. Yes. And Luna, Terra Luna, a cryptocurrency that had a UST or a stable coin, an experimental algorithmic stablecoin, imploded, and that has really caused most of the carnage that we're seeing right now.
All right, so explain what that is to people, for people who don't understand, because in their minds, like, wait a second, like, I want something that is not fiat currency. So why would I want a cryptocurrency that is tied to fiat currency? So explain how that works and why it's supposed to be pegged at the value of the dollar. And, for some it's 30 cents and others it's down to 5 cents, which isn't good. So why would people want that, and what is its value?
So right now we live in a world with parallel financial systems. We have the old system and the new system, and you still need the bridges, the on-ramps and off-ramps that connect the two. And that's what this is effectively doing, allowing you to go from the old financial system to the new and back and forth again. Mm-hmm. So it does play a critical role. I was one of the founders of Tether. We invented the stable coin. It's got about 90 billion of dollars behind it, over 50 trillion of transactional volume. It's the most used. The promise of what Luna was doing, or UST, was to offer an algorithmic stable coin that did not depend upon legacy financial infrastructure. It was an experiment. It got very big, too big, and unfortunately the experiment failed. It's imploded, and it's wrecking the markets right now, and when they were already in a vulnerable state. This too will pass, and what doesn't break us makes us stronger. But this is, in the world of crypto, one of the major black swan events. We get one every few years, and this is no minor event. It is definitely hitting us very, very hard. So, but again, that creates a buying opportunity.
It does, but for people on Coinbase, it might be a selling opportunity, because they're worried that if Coinbase files for bankruptcy, they will take everyone's assets with them.
Yeah, that was some unusual language to put into their disclosure. Right now, they're trading at only about 2 times. Well, they have a tremendous amount of assets on their balance sheet. So the idea of a bankruptcy occurring seems highly, highly unlikely. I haven't done any deep digging. I'm not concerned about it, as someone that was a relatively early investor in Coinbase when it was private, obviously did very well on it. But again, these are buying opportunities. To quote the Sage of Omaha, or Warren Buffett, which I know he won't like me using him in a crypto analogy, he's always saying buy low and sell high.
That's right.
Though he does compare this one to rat poison, and he is probably feeling very happy today.
Oh, I know. I can't stand the glib people. Told you so. No, you didn't. Game's not over. Brock, glad you're here. We'll check in with you soon.
Thank you.
Whew.